Another warning light actually says check engine, which pinpoints the problem. It seems so simple now. Car's not running because something's wrong with the motor. I'll just take out this engine and plug in the spare. I know some people who brag about the check engine light. It's been on for 8 months. I'm still driving the car. It's just the engine. It's not like the radio's busted. Not me. As soon as that light comes on, I take it to the mechanic. He corrects the problem. Unscrews the bulb.